Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going over to Cardano. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So Cardano's had a lovely little rally off the bottom here, hasn't it? Let's take a look at this. From this bottom just there, gone up roughly 30%. It actually topped just there, around about 42%. It is doing everything it needs to say it's going to come in for a retracement right now. So I'm going to look at all your retracement levels. I think that we've got a retest of this white line eventually. And I think if we break that, that's really, really powerful. And it's a very, very bullish statement from Cardano moving forward, okay? But until that, I think we might be due for some kind of retracement, some kind of pullback, potentially to the EMAs. I'm going to look at the retracement levels for you, but always use the RSI and the stock in together to identify the sort of exhaustion of an upside or downside, basically. So just there, we've got this trend exhaustion, we've got the bottom just there oversold, and we've got the stock in the floor as well. If you can see, let me move it up a little bit. You can see that stock was in a really good position as well. Okay, so again, just there, we're really, really overbought. Just there, overbought on the daily, and the stock's in the sky. So it's always a good place to just kick back and pay yourself if you've been in any longs, or a really good swing opportunity right there if that's your bag. Okay, so just there, we've again same situation, really, really overbought. Anything above 70 is overbought, and then boom, we've come in for the retracement. Just there, this is the all-time high just there for Cardano, creating a massive bearish divergence. Really, really, really overbought just there as well, and this is where we're coming for this big retracement. So it swings and roundabouts. Okay, so what we're looking to do is break out of this massive downtrend that Cardano is in at the moment. And I think one of the earliest signs could be if we start to take out this white line here, resistance. Okay, we could begin to get excited about wherever you've come from potentially being the bottom for Cardano. Okay, moving forward, at that point, what I'm looking for, like I reminded in yesterday's video, is multiple closes above the weekly 55 EMA. I think you're absolutely 100% confirming that you've got an impulsive move to the upside, and you're going to tackle the all-time high again. Okay, so at the minute we are coming down, we are retracing to this low down here that we put in March 2020, and it really is that simple. Let's not overcomplicate it. We've come down. I think we've found support on the 0.5 fib. I do think that this is a major level of support as well, which you can always identify just by looking at the left. You've got that level of support just there, turn it resistance, broken it, level of support just there again. You have that wick back down to it there. So it has been back tested. Cardano has done everything it needs to say the bottom is in. I think on the weekly time frame as well, we looked at it yesterday, we've got the RSI in the floor just there. We are beginning a new impulsive move off the low here, off the stock R as well. Yeah, the stock RSI, sorry, just there. So we're doing everything we need to say the bottom's in, but I want to see the confirmation by breaking above and closing above this level of resistance and the 55 EMA. But in the meantime, I'm going to try and find swings and shorts and longs and things like that for you. So looking at that's really, really overextended just there. Okay, for Cardano, if we drop the RSI and look at that, wow, what did that get up to? 91. If we take a look to the left, you can see that it doesn't usually hang around up there for too long, does it? I mean, look at that big impulsive move just there. Came back, made a lower high, and then dumped again, and started to create some kind of big descending triangle there for Cardano. So with that, I wouldn't think that Cardano is going to get any more sort of leg room to the upside here. I think you've got some kind of double top, potential descending triangle, and this might be a bit of a technical target. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so you've got double M top pattern here, descending triangle, and the level of resistance and support, getting price compression. This looks like it might begin to break down here for Cardano. Okay, from there to there, so you could begin to have a bit of a retracement back down to this low. So what we're going to do is take a look at the retracement levels using fibs. So from the top to the bottom, usually nominal retracement level, let me get that absolutely knob on down there. It's not knob on, need to move that up. Okay, so always try and get your points of contact knob on, okay, on your fibs and your trend lines. So just there, from the top to the bottom, it looks as though we're beginning retracement. This trend is quite exhausted, huge overextension with the RSI as well. Okay, it's not quite a bearish divergence though, so this might actually go again. We'll keep an eye on this. If you do break this level of resistance here on the descending triangle, then this is going to go again. Okay, and my next level of resistance would be this white line. So you got to come to your charts and draw this white line, because if this does go again, and this is some kind of wave 4 correction, and we do something like that and we go again, I would be looking to swing there and looking to take any profit on any longs. Okay, so the technical target that I think Cardano is looking for, because this could potentially be some kind of wave 1, wave 2, this is a massive wave 3, this could be some kind of wave 4 that's coming back like this, and then you break again into that white line. I will be looking for this for Cardano around about 0382 fib, 0300243 with a level of support, and then we might actually go again here for Cardano around about 17% up to this white line, and that could be some kind of a wave 1, off the bottom like this, some kind of big wave 1, then you come back in big wave 2, and then your powerful wave 3 is what breaks this wave. So it's a possible scenario going forward for Cardano. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little update. So I'm looking to load up some bids 0782 on the 382 fib, and the 55 EMA as well coming up, because you're a little bit overextended, and then we might go again. So from that point just there, that could be a beautiful little trade of around about 17% to this white trend line, okay, for Cardano. But I think at that point you are looking at some kind of impulsive move potentially being done because of the RSI as well on the 4-hourly time frame just there, okay. There's not a bearish divergence there, which tells me, you know, this trend might not actually be over just yet, and we've got the stock in the floor as well on the 4-hour. So you know what you're looking for is a bearish divergence here, where you've made a higher high but you've made a lower high in the RSI, and that always indicates the end, okay. So for me, you might have some kind of wave 4 here, a breakout, final 5th wave, you start to come up here, you get some kind of bearish divergence here as well, and then boom, we come back down, okay, and we've got a massive wave 2. This could be a big wave 1, big wave 2 retracement, and then the powerful wave 3 is what breaks that trend line down the line for Cardano. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. But what I'm looking to do is load up some bids right now on Prime XBT. The link is in the description. You can join the exchange. It's an amazing exchange, massive sign up bonus. Looking to long that level there up to that white trend line, and I will give you that at the time in tomorrow's update for Cardano, okay. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.